Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to turn on typing sound on Android. Let's dive in. The first step is to open settings on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to System, open Languages and Input, open on-screen keyboard. Step 3. Select keyboard from the list of keyboards. Step 4. Tap Preferences. Step 5. Toggle sound on key press to on. Step 6. Adjust the volume on key press slider to your preferred level. Additional tips: ensure your device ring volume is turned up. Keyboard sounds are tied to this volume setting. For Samsung devices, you can customize keyboard sounds via Settings, Open Sounds and Vibration, Open System Sound theme. If you are using a different keyboard app, the steps may vary. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.